Anxiety is not just an adult problem. Children can experience various types of anxieties too. Some common types of anxieties among children include separation anxiety is a common type of anxiety among children. It can be exhibited when a child is reluctant to attend school or be away from home. Generalized anxiety disorder, GAD, is another type of anxiety that can affect children. It can cause excessive worry and anxiety about various aspects of life, such as school, performance, health, and safety. Social anxiety disorder is characterized by intense fear of social situations and interactions. Children with this disorder may be afraid of being judged or embarrassed in front of others. Specific phobias are intense fears related to specific objects, situations, or animals. For example, a child may have a fear of heights, spiders, or the dark. Panic disorder is another type of anxiety that can affect children. It is marked by sudden bouts of intense fear, often accompanied by physical symptoms like rapid heartbeat and shortness of breath. Obsessive-compulsive disorder, OCD, is characterized by intrusive thoughts leading to repetitive behaviors aimed at reducing anxiety. It can be a challenging condition for children to cope with. Post-traumatic stress disorder, PTSD, can arise after exposure to traumatic events. Symptoms include flashbacks, nightmares, and hypervigilance. Selective mutism is a condition where children are consistently unable to speak in certain social situations, despite speaking normally in others. It can be a sign of anxiety and requires professional help. If you're concerned about a child's anxiety, it's advisable to seek professional help from a pediatrician, child psychologist, or mental health expert. In addition, here are some tips that can help parents and caregivers support their children.